In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off notifications for one Gmail account only. If you use multiple Gmail accounts, it can be distracting when desktop alerts pop up from the wrong inbox. The good news is that Gmail lets you control notifications on a per-account basis, right inside its settings. The key is to make the change while you're viewing the specific Gmail account you want to silence, and the setting will apply only to that account in this browser profile. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser and make sure you're in the correct inbox. A quick way to confirm is to look at the profile icon in the top right. That tells you which account you're currently viewing. Everything we're about to change will affect only this one account. Next, click the Settings gear in the top right of Gmail. This opens the Quick Settings panel. From there, choose See All Settings to open the full settings page where you'll get access to every preference. You should land on the General tab by default. If not, click General near the top. Scroll down the page until you find the section labeled Desktop Notifications. This setting controls whether Gmail is allowed to show you on-screen alerts for new messages from this particular account. You'll see options like New Mail Notifications on, Important Mail Notifications on, and Mail Notifications off. To turn notifications off for this account only, select Mail Notifications off. This tells Gmail not to send any desktop alerts for new messages in this inbox. If you ever change your mind, you can come back here and select Important Only or turn all new mail alerts back on. Occasionally, your browser may show a small prompt about allowing notifications for Gmail. Since you're turning them off in Gmail itself, you can simply ignore that prompt. Once you've chosen Mail Notifications off, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This is important. Your selection won't take effect until you save. After saving, Gmail will apply the change for the account you're currently using, and you won't see desktop pop-ups from it anymore. Other Gmail accounts you use in the same browser remain unchanged and will continue to follow their own notification settings. If you still notice alerts, they could be coming from a different signed-in Gmail account or a separate email app on your computer or phone. In Gmail, though, you've now silenced notifications for this one account while keeping others exactly as they are.